What's going on, guys? Adam here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos. But in today's video, I want to explain to you how to make $1,000 per month online using 4 different ways. Now, this is not a normal video that you're going to see online. Most people say, hey, here's how you make $1,000, and they give you, one simple idea and say, go do it. I've done that before, and what most people tell me is that it's very hard to make $1,000 in 1 month doing one business. And that's 100% true. It's hard, it's difficult, and it's not for everybody. But in today's video, I'm gonna give you 4 ways to make $1,000 online per month. Now, the different ways, first, I absolutely love YouTube. Doing YouTube with affiliate marketing is a great method. If you don't know what that is, you don't really understand affiliate marketing or how to get into it, I have a course you can check out. You can use the description box down below and I'll put it there. Now, you can create YouTube videos on just about anything. For example, if I was to promote this office chair that I'm sitting on, I could say, hey, if you want this office chair, go get it on Amazon, link down in the description box below. That's how simple it is, okay? But that's not the only way to make money. That's just one way. If you factor in that you're gonna do 4 different methods in a month and you wanna make $1,000 in that month, that means you need to make $250 per month from each method, from every single one, which is actually very doable. The second way to make money, to make $250 per month, which comes out to $10 a day, less than $10 a day, is actually doing online services such as freelance writing or design type stuff. The best part about these 2 businesses, number 1, freelance writing, everybody could use a writer. For example, let's say I didn't feel like writing the description box below, I could hire somebody like you to do it for me. Let's say I didn't feel like creating the thumbnail, which I don't, I hire somebody to do that. So that's my design guy. He creates the thumbnails, he sends them to me, I upload them on YouTube, and I publish the video. That's it, and I pay him for every single thumbnail that he does. I could do the same thing with Instagram. Every post that I publish could be something that somebody else created. That could be you. All you have to do is come up with a service that benefits other people and you offer that to them. Again, that's less than $10 per day, $250 a month, and you can get to $1,000 per month from only 4 different online ideas. Okay, great, you're selling stuff, you're doing affiliate marketing on YouTube and you're making some money, you're selling different services on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and Pinterest and all over the web. That's awesome, but is there another way you can make some money? Yes, there is. You can sell physical products on eBay and Amazon. This is something I've been doing for a while, absolutely love it, and it's a very simple business. You go to a store, such as a thrift store, you buy a book for $1.99 and you sell it on Amazon for $22.50. That is a very good business. Maybe you go to Marshalls or Ross and you buy a new pair of shoes, new pair of Nike shoes for $19.99 that you just bought at Marshalls, and you sell it on eBay for $49.50, $49.99, and you make the difference. That's an incredible business. That's gonna make you more than $10 per day. But again, you only gotta make $250 per month because we're doing 4 different methods to make that $1,000. Now here's a little piece of advice that I have for you guys. When it comes to making $1,000, the reason so many people struggle is because they try to do one idea. And I've talked about this before, is to just focus. Okay, focus on one thing until that one thing becomes successful. But here's the problem. Most people focus on, let's say they're focused on drop shipping and they spend 8 hours a day doing just drop shipping, but they run out of things to do. Well, instead of spending 4 hours just, dabbling around, checking your Facebook page, you're watching YouTube videos, downloading free courses that aren't going to teach anything, why not spend the extra 4 hours on a different business and again, focus on that one thing. If you do that time and time again, you will become successful. So today I'm giving you 4 different business ideas that you can turn into $1,000 per month total income. And the best part about this is they don't take a lot of time. Selling stuff on eBay and Amazon might take you a couple hours a day. Selling stuff, doing YouTube videos and doing affiliate marketing on that might take you 1 hour to 2 hours a day. selling stuff, for like online services, again, it might take you 2 to 3 hours per day. But at the end of the day, you're spending less than 8 hours, okay, maybe 8 to 10 hours on your entire business, and you're still making $1,000. That's an incredible way to make some money. And the last way, number 4, again, this is a business I've been doing for about 10 years as well. I've been selling online courses. Now, there are a lot of different platforms out there where you can sell an online course. Udemy.com is one of the more popular ones. They sell very inexpensive courses, but these courses are packed full of information. Another great place to sell a course is Teachable.com. That's usually where I house the majority of my courses. But the best part about either one of these platforms is you can create a course on just about anything. There are courses teaching you how to create a course. There are courses teaching course creators how to market that course. There are courses teaching course creators how to actually format their videos, format their content, put it into all-in-one pack and sell it as a course. Okay? There are courses on how to build a chicken coop. There are courses on how to clean your house. There are courses on how to do your own hair, how to cut your own hair. There are courses on just about anything: photography, videography, tile, construction, fitness, yoga, babysitting. There's courses on everything out there in this world. So if you have a passion, if you have some type of hobby, if you have a desire to do something, you're an expert in something, you can create a course on it and monetize that and sell it for $10 per course, $15 per course. Maybe you're gonna sell it for $100 per course. That's up to you, all right? Down in the description box below, I'm gonna put a link to one of my courses. It's called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. It teaches you how to pretty much bundle your experience, your expertise into a course and sell it, okay? So if you're interested in that, it's a $7 mini course. You can go check it out. Again, that will be in the description box below. But those are 4 different ways you can make $1,000 per month online, all right? So that's $250 per way. And again, this is very simple. It's feasible. It's easy to do. You just have to do it, all right? All right, so the last thing I want to do is I want to give you a couple tips. The first tip is, again, to focus on one thing. I just gave you 4 different business ideas. Now, what most people will do, so if you're still watching this, congratulations, kudos to you. You're actually going to get this tip, which is what most people are going to overlook. Most people will spend 8 hours a day and they will divvy it up, 2 hours per method, and at the end of those 2 hours, they'll jump to the next one. And then 2 hours, jump to the next one. The problem with this is they do not focus on one thing and get it right. So if you're gonna do YouTube videos and do affiliate marketing, maybe that's what you do in the first day. Get it right. It may take you 4 to 5 hours to do one video, but once you do that, you're gonna start to speed up your process. You're gonna understand it a little bit more. You will be better, okay? The next day, don't do anything with YouTube and affiliate marketing. Then you should go to, maybe you're gonna go resell stuff, or you can do, you're gonna offer some online services. You'll research that, you'll look into it, and then you're gonna go offer these things to people. That's a great way to actually scale your business, because what most people will do, when I say most people, probably 99.9% of people are gonna spend 2 hours on every single one of these 4 things to make up their 8 hours for that day. But what I want you to do is I want you to focus on one thing, get it right, perfect it, then move on to the next thing. By the end of a week or 2, you will be able to start doing 2 hours on every single thing, every single day, so that you can start making $1,000 per month doing these exact same things. The second thing, most people are gonna work 5 days a week. What's wrong with that? If you only make $40 per day and you work 5 days a week, that means you can make $200 per week, right? $200 per week times 4 weeks in a month, that equals $800. You're $200 short simply because you didn't work on the weekends. For the first few months, you must work on the weekends if you want to become successful. So that's my video. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you're going to take one of these ideas and just start making some money, and put together just an incredible business and scale it. If that's the case, you're going to do that. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.